The famous chicken thighs, better than KFC. Cut the chicken drumsticks diagonally. Season the chicken drumsticks with salt, black pepper, paprika, and vegetable oil. Mix the soy sauce with honey, garlic, instant coffee, lemon juice, black pepper, and salt. Pour the sauce over the chicken drumsticks. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Insert a few toothpicks. Insert whole lemons. Pour rice into the baking dish. Add chopped bell pepper, season with salt and black pepper. Pour in the liquid cream and chicken broth. Bake for 35 minutes. Mix in an egg with ketchup, vinegar, chili sauce, salt, black pepper, and vegetable oil.